Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today I am here to teach you English grammar. In this we will revise chapter 8 is MR, chapter 9 has and have. Children, now we will revise chapter 8 is M and R. Okay, so children, we use is when we talk about naming word that means one. Okay, like book, girl, Radha, Ram, these all are one. So we use is with naming word that means one. Now children, we learn about M. We use M to talk about ourselves. Whenever we want to talk about ourselves, हमें अपने बारे में बात करनी होती है. What we do? We use M. We can use M only with I. Now children, we will learn about R. We use R when we talk about naming word that means more than one. We also use R with you. Children, now we will see some examples. Like the vegetables dash in the basket. So children, the vegetables, you have to tell me here is M or R. We are talking about vegetables. Okay, so what will come? A-R-E-R, because we are talking about more than one naming word. Children, now I will show you one more example. So, Radha dash a teacher. Children, here Radha is one girl. We are talking about one girl, that is Radha, and we are saying ki Radha dash a teacher. So what we will use is M or R. We will use is, because is used when we want to talk about naming word that means one. Now children, here I dash a student. So here one girl is saying that I dash a student. So she is talking about herself. So what will come? M, because whenever we talk about ourselves, M will come, and M is only used with I. Children, we will see some more examples like we dash going to garden. So children, we is a pronoun. Pronoun are used in place of naming words, and we is used to talk about more than one. So what will come? A-R-E-R, because R is used when we talk about more than one. Now let us see one more example. Reema and Sita dash dancing. So here we are talking about two girls, Reema and Sita, and what are they doing? They are dancing. So what will come? We are talking about two girls. So A-R-E-R. Okay children, you have to do all the exercises like this only. Children, now we will revise one more question. In this, I will give you two sentences. You have to tell me which one is correct. there is children on the train. Okay, and sentence B is there are children on the train. So children, read the sentence. There is children on the train. There are children on the train. We are talking about children. Means more than one. More than one child is children. So we are talking about children. So what will come? Is or are? Is this used with naming word that means one, and are is used with naming word that means more than one. So correct answer is this. So our correct answer is we will choose option B. Okay. Now I'll give you one more sentence. I am thirsty. Thirsty, what do you mean by thirsty? मतलब जब आपको प्यास लगती है. Okay, this is option A. Now option B. I is thirsty. So children, here what we have learned, whenever we talk about ourselves we use M, and M is only used with I. So correct option is option A. Okay. Children, number 3, question E on page number 47. Is there a king on the throne? Are there a king on the throne? So children, here there is one king sitting on a throne. So correct answer is because we are talking about one king. Like, see, number 2, page 46. There are shoes under the bed. There is shoes under the bed. So there are 2 shoes. Okay. So what will come? There are shoes under the bed. So correct option is option A. Children, I hope you have understood SMR. Now we will revise our next chapter, chapter 9. Now we will revise has and have. H-A-S has, H-A-V-E, have. Children, we use has with he, she, it and naming words that means more than one. Like, she has a guitar. So here we are talking about a girl because she is a pronoun used for girl. With she we use has. Now Rita, R-I-T-A, Rita. Rita is a name of one girl. So we will use has with it. Rita has blue pen. Okay. Ram has red ball. In all these sentences, we are talking about one naming word. So we will use has. She has a guitar, Rita has a blue pen, Ram has a red ball. Okay. Children, now we learn about have. Okay. So we use have with I, we, you, they and naming words that means more than one. So children, let us see. I have a big house. So here we are using I with have. Okay, we always use have with I. Okay, now we is used to we is used for more than one person. So we have swimming pool. So children, with we also use have. Now you. Let us see the example of you. You dash long hair. So with you also we use have. They, with they also we use have. They have big garden at their home. So children, with I, we, you and they, we use have. Let us see some more exercises, some more examples, like donkey. Here we are talking about one donkey. Donkey has big ears. Okay, here we are talking about one donkey. Now we will talk about giraffes. Here we are talking about all the giraffes. Okay, so we will use have, because have is used with naming word, that means more than one. Giraffes have long neck. You have seen that giraffes have a very long neck. Okay, now Sony. Okay, Sony is the name of a girl. So Sony has a pink frock. Okay, Sony is the name of a girl. One girl, here we are talking about one girl, so we used has. Now children, Reema dash a bag. I'll give you option. Okay, option A is has, option B is have, H-A-V-E, have. So children, Reema, we are talking about one girl, that is Reema. So Reema has a bag or Reema have a bag? Correct answer is has, because here we are talking about one girl. Now we'll see one more example. The child has a book, or the child have a book. Beta, two sentences are given to you. You have to choose the correct one. Here we are talking about child. Okay, child means one person. Okay, so what will come with it? Has or have? Whenever we talk about one naming word, what comes? Has. So the correct answer is option A. The child has a book. Okay, children. Now we will see one more example. Look at the blackboard. The watchman W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N. The watchman have a stick. The watchman has a stick. Children, here we are talking about one person, that is watchman. So what will come? Watchman has a stick. So correct option is option B. I hope you have revised wonderfully with me. Thank you.